Number 2, nature of culture, society, marriage and kinship. Number 3, economic organization. Hello everyone, my name is Samina. Today I am back with the new update. Today I will discuss the syllabus of Anthropology optional subject of UPSC CSC. As you know, anthropology is very interesting subject for UPSC. Here are the syllabus. Let's have a look. As you know, Anthropology Paper 1 is divided into 12 units. Number 1 is meaning, scope and development of anthropology, in which you will learn relationship with other disciplines. Number 2, main branches of anthropology, their scope and relevance. Number 3, human evolution and the emergence of men. Number 4, characteristic of primates. Number 5, polygenic status. Number 6, the biological basics of life. Number 7, principle of prehistoric archaeology. Number 8, chronology and culture evolution. Number 2, nature of culture, society, marriage and kinship. Number 3, economic organization. Number 4, political organization and social control. Number 5, religion. Number 6, anthropological theory. Number 7, culture, language and communication. Number 8, research method in anthropology. Number 9, human genetics. Number 10, concept of human growth and development. Number 11, relevance of menarche, menopause and other bio-event to fertility, fertility pattern and differential. Number 12, applications of anthropology. Okay guys, it is the syllabus of Anthropology Paper 1. Okay, thank you so much. All the best. Happy learning.